That or I drink it cold. Not fucking pouring it away. Don't waste coffee.
It's not that bad microwave.
Fuck up.
That's how we always used to do it. Your coffee goes cold.
I don't mind thinking though. That's like I can drink cold coffee from like leftover brew or.
Yeah, I can drink cold coffee.
Cold coffees.
I always drink cold coffees anyway. I drink them fucking cold caramel coffees.
Well, I've got the I mean chocolate again.
Cold.
It's not lagging as well now, which is good.
Yeah, I'm not lagging now.
Not skip. Are you like flying?
I'm not even in.
Yeah, I'm in flying machine.
Loud as fuck stuff.
Just drink chopper and your SFX are real loud, but it's only when you've got your thingies that they'll be loud. D. I've already checked all this out. Press E. Yeah, I drink cold coffee all the time. Not wrong with a cold coffee now and then. I want to know what shot us down, bro.
Fine.
I'm only just getting the cutscene, so.
Well, there you go. I got a bit of lag then when we were going down.
So what actually shot it down then?
Bro,
Do you not watch it?
that's a different cutscene to the first one.
Yeah, so it sounds like bullets.
Why have they got bullets shooting at them though?
Hello?
Hello?
Anyone get a different cutscene this time?
I'm hanging from a tree.
Yeah. Last time it went beach. That's mint,
Man,
that.
that was the thing that shipped me up last time, the fucking lightning strike midway through.
There's a deer there. That's cool.
This guy's that strong, he's
Is
just
that
pulled the
on floor?
fucking helicopter door off. That on floor, I think it's Kelvin.
He's actually survived as well. Oh no, he's not gonna land, he's gonna die.
Elephant.
The rope there for me to get down, come on. Oh, I'm dying, he's cutting the rope. Oh, I've just heard his back crack.
Oh.
I heard his back crack, that sounded horrible.
Help! I need somebody. Help!
Help! Not just anybody.
Oh, what you doing?
Oh, it's her again with big tits.
What?
Who is this person with the big tits?
Do you not see the person in the grey jacket?
Oh, the one. Alright.
Can you not see the fucking shape of the tits in the jacket?
I don't look at
Is
animated
that
characters.
Kelvin?
Fuck off, you don't look at animated characters, bro. You watch porn every night.
Right, I watch porn, not fucking anime porn.
You watch Lois getting banged off Peter Griffin.
Nah, that's disgusting, that, bro.
Who's this? Already walking around.
Me?
Oh, I like how there's different spawns, that's cool.
Yeah, it is cool. Oh, whoa. The island's haunted.
Open emergency only.
Don't fall off the door. Oh, he snapped his back. Oh!
Steve's well far behind.
No. Can you not skip?
I feel like we need to keep this guy alive.
Calvin? Calvin stays alive anyway.
He's got a blue fucking light on his left right shoulder. No wonder he's still alive.
Calvin is friend, not food.
I'm gonna eat him.
What?
I'm gonna eat him.
Mate, he just turns like fucking rabid and just starts twatting.
Yeah.
How do I get my book out of my hands?
Best B. No, it's not.
I just found a king oyster. Oh, medication.
I just stuck a notepad to him. Oh, for fuck's sake.
Collect everything. I just found a grenade and a C4.
What do I want him to do here, boys? What do I want him to do?
No, shotgun ammo.
What should we get him to do here?
Swing from the tree.
Kelvin. He can build, he can get, he can follow, he can take items, he can clear, he can take a break and he can stay. So we're getting to build a fire?
Yeah.
Or shelter?
How do you just get your hands and not hold a rock?
I don't know, mate. I
I'll
don't
do
know.
what?
Go and build us a fire.
Holding a rock and just like take it out your hand.
Press G.
Is it G?
Yeah, it's G, yeah.
Well, I think he just popped something as well.
Yeah, I did. Some stuff's hold E and some stuff's just press it. Oh god.
Open the emergency pack located in your inventory.
Yeah.
B to get to your inventory. Oh no, you've got to tab yours, isn't it?
Dead man.
Okay.
Can you cut dead man up? I don't think you can.
Ah. Okay. Oh, that's how you get a hatchet. Okay. Guard book.
Hey, squirrel, get here. What? How do I hit? How do I smack? Get him, Ash. Get him, boy. Get him. Oh, Ash is a deer. Deer. Get it. Get it. Get it, boy. Get it, boy.
Oh, ran out of fucking sprint.
No way.
Yeah.
Where is your sprint bar? That's a blue one, isn't it?
Yeah. I got a rabbit though. Did anybody get that rabbit?
No.
No, I'm
I don't know where. I didn't think you got it. How do you craft?
Inventory.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
So, I've got a utility knife. I'm going to that deer. Beep beep. They just... Get here. Oh, you scared it. You scared it, you dick. Come. Come. Where you go? Come back. No.
Has everybody opened the rescue pack?
Yes.
We were in a banging spot here. Get here. Here.
Sorry, bro, the crafting.
Come back. Jimmy.
Gimme.
I give it a name, but it didn't want to come back. No, I believe that the Forest was a rate 8 player online as well.
Right. We're taking multiple hits, man.
They spawn in here, you know. Bambi just spawned here.
Bambi just got fucking stabbed with a stick.
Yeah, listen, I've got fuck all. I'm running around with a fucking...
I've got a spear.
That wall is loud as fuck, man.
I don't know if it's just my dodgy graphics, but is that a fucking temple?
I've got to say, why is here, but one's not free.
Yeah.
I ain't got nothing.
Tried zooming in like this week.
Try doing it in that daisy.
Man, this is a big bag. A tactical jacket. Let me wear it then.
Ha!
Can't wear it. Yeah, man, I can show you what mind.
Well, I didn't mean to do that.
I can't wear this tactical jacket. That's bollocks.
I think I might die.
Why?
Is just that something dodgy, I think.
I just accidentally ate a raw fish.
Oh, dear.
How do you accidentally eat a raw fish, man?
Because I clicked on it and thought it would just put it into my hand, but instead it just decided to fucking nom a nom on it.
Right, careful with them sticks as well. I think Finger's making Kelvin's making a fire.
The nomming fucking
Ah!
raw fish.
Kill the squirrel.
Can I do that? Is it clear?
Add items to the mat to open or combine them. Whoa, what's going on here? How do I add it to the mat?
Are you right click?
Right, click it.
Alright, yeah. If I combine.
Fucking funny one bit.
What are you doing, Tiny Fish?
There's a spear.
Yeah, it's in.
I've just made some sort of weird knife stick. Yeah, I'm sure they won't mind.
This guy make a fire.
I told him to make one. I don't know if he's making one or not.
Oh, bro, the throwing's pretty sick. Of the spear. Is there a way, Steve, you go to, what's it called? But it's so it's like 1, 2, 3, 4 as your weapons.
Oh. That's a very good point.
Oh, there we go.
On like the inside of your bag, didn't you?
Yeah, but you can't right click it, you can only left click it to equip.
Can't right click what?
The spear or the axe.
What do you mean?
You could do it on the other one. On the other game. So you know when you open your inventory,
Alright, yeah.
you could put the axe in the middle, you know, your craft.
Mm.
You could do that and then it'll set, you could set it to like, put it to 1, 2, 3 or 4 as your
You
keyboard.
can open your inventory and just click right click it and your bag comes into middle lane.
Yeah, but it don't give you an option to keybind it.
Yeah, that's the thing, I'm not getting a right click option, it's just a left click.
Is it? It's
Yeah,
giving
try.
me the option of right click on my bag.
Yeah, you can right click on your bag, but it drags it to the middle, but you can't then.
I want it.
How the fuck did you get your GPU out?
M.
Yeah.
M.
So what the fuck have I got at keybind then?
You shouldn't mess
Oh,
with your keybind
yeah,
before you play the game.
I know how you do it now. Never mind.
How do you do it?
You put the backpack in first, in the middle,
Yeah, I've done that.
and then the spear to it, right?
Oh, man's M as well, but it's just not pulling it out. Do I have to put my finger away?
Not the way.
That's what we did on the last one, but I'm clicking on my numbers and it's not letting me do it.
GPU's not fucking coming out.
Fucking hell, water's loud.
Yeah.
I'll use this to turn your stuff down.
Nah, I don't get it. This game's weird. I don't want to equip it.
What the fuck?
Holy shit.
What was that about?
Oh no, you're in game chat.
How?
I don't know, you click your fucking
No, I
buttons.
did.
What about now?
Yeah, no.
Oh, right.
No?
Nope.
Nope.
I don't know how to get out of it.
Oh my god! Press T, I think it's T.
What about now?
Nope.
No?
Yeah, you go.
No, yeah, there you go.
Alright, let's get my walkie-talkie out.
Yeah, I thought so. Jesus Christ. That's so loud. Eardrums are loud.
So, have we not got a hot bar yet then, maybe?
Hot bar?
Maybe not me.
Well, it says you can add items, but you can add quite a few things to it.
Yeah, you can add the whole contents of your backpack.
Yeah, it tells you though when you press top right what you need to build. That's the little cog. So say you put something in, combine, press cog, it'll tell you what you need to craft. So for a time bomb I need wool, a watch, tape.
Oh shit, it goes
Hey, that's
fucking to the
fucking-
side as well, what the
Hey,
fuck?
that's
Yeah
sick.
mate, it's massive. It's fucking massive, bro.
Have you turned
Goes
the lights
down
on
into the
on
bottom
your
right as
fucking
well.
backpack yet?
Turn the what?
Oh
Fucking put your fucking microphone away.
I didn't mean to pull it out, sorry.
so loud that.
You know when you open your inventory, you got like a little white box
Yeah.
just underneath the walkie-talkie. Yeah, click power on, and then you can change the colour of it.
Oh, that's cool, that.
What? Oh, cool.
Where am I looking again?
So, yeah, in case it's dark and you got no light around you.
Mm.
That's pretty good, that.
Where am I going?
Yeah.
Where am I going?
Lights, colour. Is it colour?
Oh, that looks well cool.
What in settings?
In your inventory, Connor. Or below your walkie-talkie, there's buttons.
Oh yeah. Ah. What colour's everyone going?
Blue.
Well, I can't go blue then, because you're blue.
My-
We want to know what each colour is, don't we? We want to be different so that we know who do.
I'm sorry, but there's a fucking big letter above everybody's name.
Yeah, but it's better to look at the colour. Oh yeah, there's a pink guy with pink on his bag there. That's Connor. I've got
Got it.
pink on my bag. Are we building base here?
I don't know, I want to just learn fucking...
Yeah, just want to get basics down first.
No, I mean, we're setting up camp. What do you mean? I need sound alerts. I've got sound alerts.
Basically, whoever said that wants you to shit yourself while playing this game.
I've got sound alerts. And my sound alerts are fucking loud as fuck after yesterday. I'm scared if they ever go off again.
I disconnected 12 seconds, join back in.
You still here?
No.
Yeah, we'll log down in a minute.
The main one for viewers to play. I've got games for viewers to play, bro.
Mm-hmm.
What minute? I'm on 30.
Exclamation mark and put in a certain game and it gives you options to play.
What wiring?
Still, I'm on 30.
Huh?
Because I can't connect to anything on Wi-Fi.
What?
Because you're playing a half-spec game on wired in. Nick's probably got some fixed going wired in. So the Wi-Fi is just for us trying to connect through to wireless. Well, gone now.
Oh, what's going on?
Best on a 4G.
Why?
Struggling to fit into out.
I'm gonna be getting them rung up then, mate. No matter how many people on your internet, you should be still picking it up.
Kind of lucky I'm not trying to say it on my PC though, you know. Probably only can do it basic.
Well, luckily you're really scared of sharks.
Luckily, yeah.
There's one thing we haven't figured out yet.
I know it's kind of super sharp.
Got a squirrel.
FF.
Okay.
What's that?
Yeah, bro, I ain't spoke to you now just because you've not spoke to me.
Friendly fire.
Not
Oh, yeah.
saying that the squad's changed, it's just you don't play these kind of games.
Yeah, you're an A, Stephen.
I'm gonna get you, Bambi.
Probably not, but we can try. I like the crafting, the animation that you do.
Yeah, the animations are cool.
Yeah, well, I made that spear.
Bambi got away, little
Oh.
bitch.
I'm just trying to figure out what the hell to do next.
Yeah.
Why do I have to watch the cutscene again?
Don't know. Because with you just being kicked straight out, you might not saved.
Yeah, I was thinking maybe we might have to move away from the spawn to save.
We can make it leaf
Oh,
armor,
we
bro.
need to get it.
Yeah, I think we need to run around a little bit, maybe.
Yeah, hold on. Just let me like respawn back into lightning.
Because I think cloths like
No,
that.
you can even see where you are.
Yep.
No, no.
So good.
What the fuck have I just done?
Kelvin's out here being an absolute trooper gathering sticks, man.
Yeah, is Garrett's stuff at the fire?
Are you making? Oh, fire.
Don't ask how I did it, because I ain't got a fucking clue.
It's about to crash land now.
The fuck have you got there?
What the f...
Holy hell, what the? That's sick.
Eh.
Jeep claws.
I just walked over and fire. Now the question is how... I need to toggle this crouch to a fucking toggle rather than hold.
Am I actually dangling from a tree or am I just stood there?
Stood there.
Oh.
You're not even in it.
Ash, if you hold S, it just skips it.
Oh my lord.
Oh, I'm dead.
Yeah, don't worry, Connor. We didn't want any of that, mate.
What do you mean, bro?
Didn't you?
I'm trying to get into the fire to put the raw meat down.
Bro, you took it all out of it and fucking ate it.
Bro, I'm trying to activate the fire. I haven't ate it all, it's here.
No.
Told you I didn't eat it all. I was trying to get back into the fire.
Fucking Calvin, I shot myself. Just saw something walking behind him.
That's sick, that animation.
I know I don't want to be eating raw meat. You boys eating cooked meat, yeah?
Yep.
That's cool, that's cool. I like that, I like that.
I can make a stone arrow.
Is it me or is these rabbits like massive?
What's
I
that?
made it beer.
What's that for a crafted bow? One Kelvin, lad.
It is absolute grinder.
Innit?
When we leave, we have to make him follow us, by the way.
Well, you're hunting nearly.
I'm trying to kill a rabbit.
Oh, you don't try fishing? I'm gonna try fishing.
It's,
There's even no alligators in here, isn't there?
I think you'd see him first.
Can't see any fish in here though.
Kelvin, do not spook the fucking deer. You're gonna spook it, you dickhead. Kelvin, move.
Wonder if there's like bears and that on this now.
Oh, the old
Loads. There's loads.
I saw a thing, a community post of people praying for fucking wolves and shit.
Yeah!
No.
What the hell is this?
I
Stupid
don't know
little
where you
fucker.
went, bro, tiny pea.
Hey boys, guess what?
What?
I killed the deer.
What?
Oh dear.
What? Oh dear. There's spider webs in the trees and everything.
Innit?
No, what's it eating it for? I'm gonna die, me.
I got a deer as well.
Why is it not picking it up?
Oh dear.
Why does it keep trying to eat it?
Oh, dear.
Do I need to take my knife out or something for it?
Oh, you need to discover things in the wild. That's like that. You know,
I
like
think
very...
it's strange reason
Oh,
when
mate,
it
I'm
does
gonna
that,
die.
innit? Why?
It just keeps eating the raw meat. It's not picking it up. What am I pressing wrong?
No. I think it does, even though it shows it eating. That could be one of bugs that maybe, you know, I don't know. I killed a deer then and I picked it all up and I'm not dying.
We're looking like you're eating it, huh?
No, it still comes up with like a Pac-Man emblem.
Yeah, but did it look like you character were eating it?
I just spammed it. Got 3 pieces.
Oh, you've got to tap it. Never mind, boys. You tap it, you don't hold it.
I'll keep on.
Have you all fucked off?
You having a donk sesh over here, Steve?
Nice work. Cheers, fellas. Didn't want to come with you anyway.
Just stand there. Let's. Just stop. Stand still.
It's staying tall, bro.
Oh, that's how you do it.
Me and stay on my toes, bro. I was fucking catching a deer.
Are you giving me?
Is there any campfire?
well,
Can we make
first
our
thing-
own campfire?
First thing to do, save.
That's your question. Did anyone tell
Yeah, that's
fucking
better.
Kelvin to follow us?
No.
You were
Wow.
literally there. What do you mean? Wow, you were literally there.
Did I not say to you when we leave, we need to tell Kelvin to follow us, and you lot left whilst I was collecting a deer and didn't tell him to follow you? Wow.
Yeah.
Did we leave with the intention of never going back? No.
Yeah, there you go then.
Right. So we're going back anyway. So.
You just said you didn't leave with it. You left with the intention of not going back.
No, I said, did we leave with the intention of going back? No.
Oh, you have to break the sticks, okay.
Break the sticks for what?
Basic fire, step
ready?
1, stick, break, step 2, break
How to
them,
break
step
sticks.
3, put them on 4, step 4.
Oh, I'm not going in there. I've just found a tunnel.
Read your book, bro.
Oh, you found a first cave?
Yeah.
Ooh.
You want to come and see it?
How to break
Yeah.
sticks?
Come here, boys. Look at how creepy this shit looks when you just stand in there. I don't even want to press the button.
Oh, no, there's breaking sticks at it.
Yeah, I'll wait
You
here.
can make it small. Okay. Okay.
Oh, shit.
A little too close.
It's getting dark as well, Steve, so it's going to be even worse.
I need to cut this food. So I need a,
Good down there, bro.
Yeah, I was just eating a candy bar.
do you need some meat left?
Some meat. No, I'm on it.
Oh, hell no. No,
How
no,
freaky
no.
does that look, bro? Can't mark either, can you?
Local tap.
No, we need a skull.
Oh, no, well, I'll just grind some meat.
Oh dear.
I think you'd be right. I've had about 3 pieces of raw meat and nothing's wrong with me.
First mutants here.
Eh?
The first.
Maybe
Cannibal.
hold on the fire and see what it does.
Have you seen it? Oh, it's definitely a mutant. It's got 3 legs, bro.
Oh, cool. Okay.
Backpack comes on, it's...
Lewis,
What was
go to
that?
fire and press F.
F.
Oh, hold F.
What was that?
What's it do? What's it do?
Right.
F.
Yeah,
Right.
hold F. Oh, well, hold E, sorry. I'll keep on it to F, sorry.
Yeah, I've seen this bit already.
Oh, that way you can
And you
pick
chuck
to
it
add
on
the
that.
food.
Yeah, but if you look down here, Ash, you'll also see something coming up towards us.
Oh, this is this woman. She wants us to get to know us.
She's
Oh,
got 3
fuck.
legs, bro.
Yeah?
Rick.
I don't wanna know.
Oh,
3 legs.
Oh, she's running away.
I'm walking away.
And I.
Who's put tunes down?
Hey, Connor, can you see my bag when I open it?
I don't know who you are.
She's
Good
got
rap,
3
it's
No,
right.
there.
Connor, you're on fire.
I know.
Can you see my bag when I open it?
Lewis, stop chasing her. Don't want to
Sorry.
forward.
No.
She's chasing the booty.
Stop chasing the bit.
No, but if it's on your backpack, I'm sure I can see your light. Your light comes on automatically at night.
I'm just going to chuck some food on here. I need to chuck some food.
Got some animal hide, what can I combine that into? Armour.
That's
Armour.
fucking amazing, is that? I love that.
The fish is mine.
Right, so it's tapped to interact with that fire, innit?
Let's see what brightness and that does now.
Yeah, it's getting pitch black for me, that.
Put some leaves on there, keep that fire going.
Oh yeah, it's black. You know to sleep in the tent, right?
That's better.
I can't see what the
But
fish looks like.
what's the strength
This
symbol?
call going on in inventory.
What are the strength symbols? So obviously water steam. What's the other one?
You got night time. So you got when you need to go to sleep.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
You got food, water, and I'm guessing that's how strong you are. How much
Mine's
weight you can
full.
hold in your bag. Because I've started carrying some rocks and
Yeah.
I can't fucking move fast anymore.
So what do you reckon the case is? One of them has got a grenade in. Don't know what the other red one's for. Is it behind me all?
What cases?
Them red cases when you walk into here.
Old grenades in one of them.
Yeah, one grenade. I've got one grenade in one.
I'm
Holy
assuming.
Arrows.
Yeah,
Holy
arrows
pitch
in
black.
another.
Yeah, man. My gamma and fingers on full lads one.
That's a cool light, to be fair. Purple. Makes it add to the fucking fear.
How have you got your lighter out?
Hell. It's a sick light, to be fair.
I don't
I mean,
have a
to be
lighter.
fair, turning your brightness up helps.
Yeah, it does.
Oh,
It's when you're looking at lights, if you look away from the light, it's actually not too good.
Yeah.
I still feel like we should go out hunting at dark.
Oh, that's fair.
Oh, what the heck?
That's it. Has everybody saved at 10?
Yeah, I've saved.
Right,
Well,
someone
I
lead
would've
race off
been
here.
out of the way.
It's loud as fuck, man.
Bro, have I got a lighter out or not?
Wanna
Press
sleep?
L.
Matt?
I'm using my lighter button, bro. It's
Yeah.
not doing
No, I
that.
don't know. Have we got food to eat? Because we're gonna go hungry.
No.
I'm gonna go thirsty before hungry.
What?
I'm gonna go thirsty before hungry.
Let's just save then and see if we can find somewhere.
You need to crouch
For what?
when you're attacking the like deers and shit.
What's crouch?
Control.
You can drink the river water.
It's,
I found out. Yeah.
I'd love to know how you lot are being able to pull out a fucking lighter and I can't.
Just press L.
I'm pressing the lighter button, bro. It's not doing no.
I've
Oh,
got
no.
nothing in my hands.
Yeah. Nothing in your hands.
Should just have to press L and that's it.
Lighter for me is F.
Oh, you must change it.
No, I'm pressing the button that I've got. Yeah, I know it's default L. Even L's not working.
Have you conflicted something? Maybe. I don't know.
Don't think so. I don't think F would be being used for all.
F. I don't know what F's used for.
F's not used for anything.
Yeah,
Like
so I
I keep bound E from F.
Let me see if
You know,
L works
keep
now.
bound the light to a different one.
I've got my lighter out now.
No.
Bro, there's something wrong.
I heard it can take like an hour to cross from one side of the next to the other. What's all these bushes?
I don't know, but I found some more shit on here. Oh, they're just bolts.
Bro, I ain't even got my fucking weapon out. Is the lighter in your bag?
Yeah, it's above your axe.
There's a rope, needed that.
What axe, bro? I don't have an axe.
Have you not opened your starter kit?
No.
Oh, there you go then.
Oh my days.
Did anyone say that you need to open it?
Yeah.
Yeah, the actual thing in bottom left.
Bro, it's probably why you aren't being able to open up your map.
Get your starter kit on your inventory and then press that cog on it.
Am I in inventory? What are you on about?
Open
Oh, wait.
your thing. And on right hand side, just next to your grey bit, you should have like a little fucking C3 pack.
Oh, why is it
Right.
opening my map now?
That's your notebook.
Yeah, it just goes through it all the way. Oh, Steve, got to chop down the tree and see if these logs actually go down the river.
Oh my days. No wonder.
It's
How do I get out of this fucking thing?
That's G. Let me set this
Made the
campfire.
animation of chopping trees.
It was fast, isn't it?
Bro, you see the bark break and everything?
Oh, that's so good.
Yeah. Let's move!
It's good. You might want to move.
Because that didn't kill you.
Bro, it's just had the Call of Duty intro there.
Oh, it does, bro.
Oh, bro, that's fucking.
That's a Call of Duty intro.
Oh, mate, when you throw them as well, huh?
Bro, do you mind? I'm trying to fucking learn shit.
That's cool, that's cool. I like that.
No, I'll collect this rope here. Is it safe to drink the water then, yeah?
Yes, I believe so. I drank it, I know.
Who chopped that tree down?
Me and Lewis.
Just nearly hit me.
Oh, what tree? Just then?
Yeah, it rolled down into the fucking lake and nearly hit me.
Oh, well, I don't know who did one just then. Me and Lewis did it like fucking ages.
Oh no, it's the one that you did. Over here. Fell over and rolled over here.
Fucking hell! Fucking. Yeet!
Oh, pushing through it woods now.
Hey, hey, look at this fucking log! Gotta move. Gotta watch out.
Did you eat it?
Fucking yeet!
Yeah. Little things, man, little things.
How do you eat something?
G.
Press G. Yeah. Oh, bro, it's so cool how they just float down the river.
I like how they made rivers a safe water source, considering waters are like the safest water source that you can drink.
Oh
There
yeah.
must have been a big spider that made that web, you know.
Ash, fuck off, we don't want to know.
That's why I tell you there's a web up here.
Let me come here, look. I'll inspect it. I'm not scared of spiders. So one comes right up my arse, this shit scares me up. Where? Where?
On the trees there.
Oh, there. I see that one.
Dead.
Well, you know what happens now when a spider comes for you? Because you destroyed its house.
Oh no, I'm panicking.
I got nothing left.
I'm gonna lose my life.
We'll
in
say
the
what
edge.
is it? Yeah, I was just going to say it just looks like an open space, as it is. That's a big drop, like, you know.
Yeah, it looks like a big drop. Be careful, boys.
Holy fucking.
The sea just jumps right in the edge.
Was odds for yeeting myself off?
I'll give you 7.
Shut up.
I'll give you 7.
I'll give you 5, mate.
Oh, this is massive.
No, because he's got to do it, so I'm giving him an option of 7.
Nah, I'm good.
Wait a minute, though. Let's go and check something.
Ash, what about you?
Stand over here.
He's well gonna try and push you off.
No, stand over here. It's nowhere near edge. No, stand over here.
Ash, what about you? Odds?
Stay there. 100.
Nah,
Oh, that's how you just give to people on the man. Okay.
gotta be the low 10.
No, 100.
Give you odds on 7, bro. And we'll do reverse as well.
Not coming to toast bath on first day.
I'll do reverse rolls with you as well.
No.
I've just found some blueberries.
Blueberries.
Blueberries?
Blueberries.
Come on, man. That'd have been funny, that.
You just killed her.
Oh, yeah.
Yay.
I might be able to craft something here, boys. Let me just...
Achievement unlocked.
You are?
I'm just got an achievement unlocked final.
I'm guessing it's gonna be survive the first night or some shit.
I've got 2 things I can craft. I can craft a bow,
Same.
and I can craft a repair tool.
Same.
I did the ball.
Oh. More spider webs.
I crafted the ball, but I think it wants me to craft a tool now, but I don't have any more duct tape.
Don't need duct tape for the tool. It's sticks, rope, and stone.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I thought it was duct tape.
I need to put down some rope. Where's my rope?
What are these guys doing here?
Just climbing the trees.
Hey, I'm
What?
in inventory.
What the fuck?
Where's the rope? It's up there, it's up there, it's up there.
Right, as
What?
well.
Hey!
You want it right.
It's fucking Tarzan.
Where's it gone?
He's spinning around a tree.
Oh, he's over there. Oh.
Oh, don't, 'cause it's gonna get me in it. I can hear a fucking noise.
Yeah. See that? Can't.
It's there on the rock.
Oh, there's 2 of them.
3 of them.
Oh, there's 3 of them.
Bro, where's my bow?
But we're not doing anything.
See whether it attacks. It might
Back
not
off,
attack.
man.
Where's my
What
bow?
the
Where's my
fuck's in
bow?
his hand?
I know,
Going to
yeah,
game, going to game chat and tell it to piss off.
Please go
What's
away.
that? Oh.
Hello, friend.
No, please don't.
Oh,
Please
shit.
get away now, David.
Stay, turn it off.
I have.
Fucking hell, I could hear myself through your headset.
Lewis has died again for the 15th time.
That is loud, and now I know exactly why you were pissed off at me.
No one completed it yet.
We'll complete it tonight, boys, if you want.
Yeah, they're probably on.
All night, boys, and we'll complete it.
No, Lewis got shopping tomorrow.
That's right.
I got work tomorrow.
That's right. Go sleep on no. Go to work on no sleep.
Purple key cards tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm playing some days either as well.
We need to farm some bucket heads.
Big drop.
I wouldn't say someone tells me we shouldn't be going that Westy. Has anybody else noticing like the little pixel things around your lighter when
I don't have it all.
it's pretty cool, try it Lewis.
I don't know why it's purple.
Bro, it's not even a lighter. It's one of those. It's not a proper lighter, bro.
It's summer because it's got like little orbs around it.
Yeah, it's one of those thingy ones. The ones that have got like a taser going across it and that lights it.
I tell you what it is, it's like last season when it's one of those infinite fucking lighters.
It's not even a flame, bro.
That's what I mean. It's one of those laser ones.
Yeah, and last one had unlimited gas.
Oh, I found it.
What you found?
Penis.
The fuck's that?
Finally found a penis.
Oh, you found it.
Ew. I found a path.
Oh yeah. Path that leads to anal.
Nice.
Steve's first one there. Look at him.
What question?
No.
Look at him. He wants that anal.
Whoa.
No. It's not.
Hold up.
Wait a minute.
You are hungry. Thank you, Kim.
Oh, I thought it just had a chicken leg in it.
Chicken leg.
Chicken leg.
Holy hell, this is a state. I should imagine getting fucking.
Trying to get golf wagon up here.
In it.
They're still up in high grounds. They're gonna fall off edge at fucking cliff.
Bro, I'd still count this as a fucking cliff. You seen it?
Yeah, no, but look at where they are.
Imagine if that worm thing turns up now.
Oh my god, I'm jumping off cliff.
And I would say I'd rather eat myself off this.
Bro, it's pinging you off cliff. No man, fucking jumping off.
If what turns up,
No, don't worry about it.
you're not on about that big slam thing, are you?
Nah, don't worry about it, bro.
It's not flashing in my screen.
Shit to myself here now.
You got
If-
tired.
Oh, I just heard a scream. I just heard a scream. I just heard a scream.
That noise.
I'm scared. I'm running.
I'm
towards
running. I'm stuck.
Let's go over that noise then.
What noise? I'm
You didn't
tired.
hear that noise?
No.
I'm tired. Maybe it might be best to build a shelter.
Bro, just brought that tree.
I had this.
You big bastard! There's some big red bastard!
Bro, there's someone behind me. I'm so shit to myself here. Oh my god. Imagine running past that trying to get to these boys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, I thought you were going
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Chuck your spirit. Oh, no, man.
Yeah, wait, we're not.
Turn around. Turn.
Oh, I thought you were going to charge.
I can't go off. I can't do it. I can't play this game.
He's going to hit hard him.
That's the thing that shit me up, bro. That is what I screamed at.
He's not dead.
He's not dead, you dickhead.
He's dead, kid. Oh,
How it is. Oh.
No, he's not.
He's
This
not
guy's
dead.
a tank.
there he is. Is he dead?
He's dead.
Dead?
Think he's dead?
Is he dead?
You think he's dead? I need to get some sleep, boys. I'm tired.
Can you skin it?
I'm fearing for my life, boys. I'm sweating.
He's just got a little bump.
I'm genuinely sweating.
You seen
Oh my
it?
god.
Ragdolling it around.
Why can't you pick up its header out?
I'm trying to play with its dick.
Yeah,
Oh,
look at
wait,
it.
set a fire up, we'll just get some bones.
Bro, I am genuinely sweating.
Oh, you keep hold it click to do the old school thing.
I forgot how you build a fire.
It's in your book.
Tiny.
I forgot
Stick.
how you get-
Break them. Sticks in your hand and break them.
How long does that hatchet last for?
Ever.
Every well, yeah, but if it's thing, you can get upgrade it by putting teeth and feathers on it to make it faster and stronger.
Where's he going?
Oh my god.
You look, Steve.
Disconnected.
There goes Steve. Steven.
You go.
I'm gonna say it looks like it's thing.
I'm so glad I clipped that. That was funny as fuck.
Steve, they were feeling.
It's fucking
Oh, kind of like on the foot that one.
He did.
I know, but it gave me an heart attack. I literally screamed like a little bitch.
Wait, if you think that's bad, wait until you see it worm, man.
No, I'm alright if I can see it from a distance. This guy literally, mate, come here with me.
Even at a distance,
Come me,
mate.
right. I was stood. He was stood, sorry, right here. Just here. Like this. And I've come up from around this corner running away from a noise that I heard. I just turned straight into him, bro. And it's pitch black. I shit myself.
Let's get me.
Right, I'm hungry anyway, by the way.
Well, best off thing, bro.
Lewis,
Yeah.
are you crouching? Are we in your bag?
Sort of like anybody.
I forgot.
What's that?
I don't know to. I
No,
just asked
what?
Steve where. Well, what is it? When we saved that tent and we all was.
Yeah, I think you can craft a tent.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Shelter now, but you need some sort of blanket, I think.
You need
Steve,
tarp.
Steve don't want to spawn far away from us.
Not like it.
That's full jacket.
Paper for top.
Yeah,
Put it in your backpack.
Tarp and sticks, by the looks of it.
yeah. I'm trying to work out where top is in inventory though.
We got haven't
Yeah, you need to make it right.
Yeah, it's not like old school tent, old school shelter where it likes the sticks and leaves.
I'm gonna pass out, me.
Yeah, my
Wow.
tiredness is very.
My tiredness is flashing.
Where do you get the top from?
I'm assuming you'll have to
What's that?
go to places and pick it up.
Go up and down.
So
Why
how do
can't
you,
I wear this tactical jacket?
Get a stick in your hand.
oh, do you have to put it in your hand?
I'm hungry,
yeah,
I'm
that'll come up with an
tired.
Option. You'll snap it.
Right. That's not in my hand.
I don't even know if I've got any food. Pretty sure I picked up some berries in that earlier. Let's go looking for some berries or something. Need to eat.
Can you pick this guy up? Oh,
Well,
can you?
yeah, time that's good. No. Where's his arms? I've picked his arms and shit up.
Can't pick him up.
Well, not him, his arms.
Yeah, you can't pick it. The arms up, bro.
I'll have to try and find. We'll have to. Steve's internet's probably gone kaput. That was so funny.
Yeah, it has.
Has he messaged you?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I bet he's fuming.
Oh, I asked him. I said, "Do you want us to come off?" Because
Lol.
he's going to spawn at tent when he comes back in, and so will we. If we say.
Let's head back way to tent then.
I
Whichever
don't
it's
know
at
where
tent.
that was.
Back down this way.
No idea.
Why don't you get your GPS open? Where Kelvin is. Where your tent will be.
How do you fully?
No,
do GPS?
oh well.
This way.
What?
Follow me. Just going in a straight line from this way unless there are any cliffs.
Is Calvin the blue thing?
Yeah, the blue
Yeah.
care.
don't want to go to Kelvin though, do we? We want to go to that tent.
Well, on the way to Kelvin is where the tent is, isn't it? It's on the left.
Yeah, the tent's not that far away from Kelvin because hopefully the suitcases there and there may be a bit of food.
What we need to keep an eye out for is where we found that rope.
Yeah, on the boats.
No, I didn't find it on no boats, me. I found it on finger.
What would we need rope for?
Because there was some little carp things there.
I made a boat in that one.
Oh, food, boys, food. Berries here.
Yeah, they're good or bad though.
I've been eating berries all the time.
Yeah, they're not very good food, but
There's something to fucking stock you up for a little bit before you get you going again. Am I gonna get swapped by this or not?
I'm probably see if there's anything over here real quick.
I can't afford to do that. Follow this path down.
And some skeletons.
There's some tents, some rope, a little bit of food. No,
I'm gonna have to sleep at this tent and then sleep at the other tent again.
I don't want to play music for
Nah.
oh, ammo.
Shit ton of ammo, isn't there?
Yeah.
I was saying 1 out of 3 for sleep. Oh, we've all got to sleep.
We all have to sleep.
Yeah, we all have to sleep. Where's that other tent?
I've not
Hold
got
on,
any-
hold on, is there any fish in here?
I think you can all just sleep, bro.
The tiredness is very tired.
If we sleep, it's going to be night time.
Oh shit, does it?
Not a fish in there. Let's back on.
You go swimming.
I went swimming, yeah. I went swimming and I felt like getting back out.
You drink from this pond?
I'm assuming so.
Yeah, I'm gonna risk it.
I just need food.
Ads are good.
Not taking time before.
They pay
No.
like 3p per every 10 ads I send out. Right, where we're going? Are we going Kelvin?
Yeah, back to Calvin way, around that tent.
Alright, back down this way then.
At least we won't have to do the fucking cutscene himself. Well, you can skip it then anyway.
Fucking starving.
Fucking big, isn't it, this?
Massive, bro.
Oh. Is
Back.
Pakistan?
HD ball.
Steve, did you poop it then or not?
He knows.
Oh. Thought your internet went
And
to
it's
poop. It better not be. I need
That tent
food.
not along this river.
Huh?
That tent not along this river.
The rabbit. Whoa, what the fuck's this?
Use the top to build a shelter.
Oh, you can you can access your inventory quickly by holding B. Hold your inventory button. Pull that little bag.
Oh, that's cool.
And you can just choose which one you want to use.
Ah, maybe that's how you do it.
Do what?
No, that's maybe a hot bar, is that?
Yeah, it might be, you know, 'cause you can choose
Along with the
whatever.
bag. Yeah, apparently a lot of people complain it's not a hot bar.
You probably get a hot bar
Sleep.
if you're on like normal mode and stuff.
I'm gonna pass out in a minute.
Oh, I bet that's a bug.
What happens when you pass out? You just fall asleep for a bit.
I don't know, but I can't do anything.
What do you mean?
I held my thing to see what he did, and it's just constantly making a noise, and I'm just frozen.
Still not
And
talking.
it's lagging me out like crazy.